Freak show.
Yeah. Actually, no, Sam. Actually, there was one day they put a girl in here, and we just made her so uncomfortable that they just decided not to have her.
Yeah, she was uncomfortable because she had that your show made her uncomfortable. Mention Pittsburgh. Keep it local.
What's wrong with going local with the radio? That's perfect. There's no way you defend against satellite radio.
Why wouldn't they be local?
Right.
They're forcing it. They're singing songs about RogerRamjet. These guys grew up in Pittsburgh. I can tell by their voices.
Ah!
Later! Yoo! Get him! Get him! Oh! Yes! Thank you! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Would die for you. I would die.
That car that almost cut us off. Is he running from the cops? Oh. That's what it is.
Yeah, see, I was doing the speed.
Oh! Whoa! What the?
17 past the hour. As we roll along in the Joe Show. 8:30, we'll be handing it over to John Wallach in Baxter.
You're about to get pulled over. That is hilarious. An idiot. That cop forgot they were a cop for a second. They threw up their hands like, what the heck are you doing?
Oh! Yes! Yes!
Oh my god, we never get to see anything like that.
Is it recording? Yes!
Yes! Yeah, pull him over, bro. Yeah, pull him over.
Oh, shit!
Navigating a cruel world filled with unrefined rhythms and harsh sounds. To bring you nothing but the most buttery, smooth, soft rock. Yacht Rock Radio.
Yeah, but I don't think you get to do that.
To pullovers within 5 minutes.
Hello there.
A few moments later.
Wait a minute.
गड्डी रोक ली मैं चले ओ बैंड चोद यार मैं क्या I'm sorry sir.
Why are you driving 140?
I'm sorry.
This is an excessive, so your car's going to be impounded.
This is not my car. So
Can I get your license and your registration?
Sure. Sir, I work at...
Okay, well you're going to have to explain how you got somebody's vehicle impounded. Is this the company's vehicle or is this...
No, this is some customer's car.
Okay, so why are you driving 140?
I'm so sorry, sir.
Well, it's going to be gone now. You also don't have an N on the back? Doesn't matter if it's a rental car, a loaner car, your work. You have an N, you have your N in the back. Speed limit's 80, you're going 140. That's 60 kilometers over the speed limit. So the car's going to be impounded for 7 days. So you can explain that to your boss. It's out of my control. I don't set those rules, ICBC does.
I'm probably going to get fired. Please, sir.
You shouldn't be driving 140, let alone in a vehicle that doesn't belong to you, during work hours. There's no excuse.
He's dying. Some people thought like he shit his pants or something and he wanted to like get away from the mic or something. Because, like, why did he just... wait a second, and then he gets up so... I've never seen him get up that fast before.
Well,
yeah. Wait a second, there's a child up there. A 15-year-old, wait a second. Hey, 15, I don't know.
Up with Duran. The Eskimo. Noon tomorrow, back by the tunnel at Griffith Park. Ellen brings the dope to the tunnel, puts it on the ground, then they send out Perry. She brings Perry back to me. Ellen and the kid walk away and expect everybody to keep their mouths shut.
Video protected.
Police, state police, please.
Got him. Yes!
Got him.
Get him!
Got it.
Yeah, probably would be great. You want to talk about Dan Bongino? Crash out? Yeah. Also, he's kind of in a fight with Dave Smith right now. That's the main crash out. Yeah. Well, I guess he's crashing out, period. Cause but Dave Smith is definitely Dave versus Bongino is sort of the main thing. Bongino, yeah. Dave said they were debating if he.
As I say at the end of every session on that game, thank you. Just thank you. We get 24 hours a day to live this life, and it is an honor to think we spend 8 of those hours
when that cop got the red truck. Oh, he lit him up. Yeah, there he is right there.
On Prime Video January 8th. Watch the trailer on TrainerGames.com. I can't believe how spotless my floor is. Dragging around a heavy mop and messy bucket. Now I have the same deep clean without all the work. Thanks to the powerful solution and scrubbing pad of the Swiffer Power Mop, dirt and grass don't stand a chance, and I don't break a sweat. Mic drop.
Thing that's in our lives. but that doesn't mean that he's not blessing us in dozens upon hundreds of other ways. The important things for all of us to do is to recognize that just because God has not answered me in this particular way doesn't mean that he is not blessing me in a bunch of other ways. It's one of the things the people of Israel kept in mind even as they were in the midst of slavery. It was completely with they were in incredibly awful circumstances. But when God said to Moses, here's what's going to happen.
Okay. I wish we should have done the left turn. Hey, one more. We're hiring drivers. Oh, what was that? Oh, he's supposed to make a right turn. He can't go at the left. Well, you gotta make that turn, two-wheeler. If he made that turn he was trying to do, he would have out the light. I got you on Dashcam. This is my first time actually seeing something that actually looked perfect on the Dashcam. You know why? Because he can't be down the street. That's true. That could be the reason why too. This street could not maybe not allow it.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.